Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is D, and you're now watching New Touch Auto. In this video, we got the Dodge Ram RHO Hurricane Edition. Now, this is the newest of its kind, 2025 model, and you see it has a nice blue finish currently, right? What we do here at New Touch Auto, we make your vehicle stand out from the rest. The new color will be a matte black finish, similar to this right here. Not even similar, the same. So every area on this truck is pretty much gonna be matte black, except the door jambs. Now the door jambs will still be blue, which is why the customer requested to keep that RHO up there with the blue outline. So that'll match up nicely. On the headlights, we're gonna tint those with a light smoke. Tail lights, we're gonna do a dark tint. They are translucent, so it will show when the lights are activated. Side mirror and door handles, we're gonna keep those gloss black. Now, the wrap is gonna protect this truck for a certain amount of years before you wanna remove it. So therefore, this customer will always have this nice blue finish. It's like a 2-in-1. We've already removed the emblems and got this truck clean. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Now, this is not a tutorial. We're pretty much just showing you the benefits of vinyl wrapping your vehicle. Thank y'all for tuning in. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go. All right, so here's our flat matte finish. And like I said, it's gonna match up with those areas that we're gonna keep the same, as far as like the bumper or the front side of the vehicle and the rear. And before we do that, we gotta get our measurements cut out, remove all the parts that we need to remove to make it easy to wrap this vehicle. Now I'm gonna show you probably a few panels that I'll wrap, and just pretty much give you an idea of what it's gonna look like. And in the finish, I'll show you everything before and after. Okay, so we've now reached the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We finally placed all the parts and emblems back onto this vehicle. As you see, the matte black is connected all the way around this truck. You see the side mirrors and the door handles, they're gloss black. And then you got the back door handle, gloss black as well. We've also added tail light and headlight tints. For the rear, we got dark film. And for the headlights, we have a light smoke, and the fog lights, we had a dark film. I just wanted to show you an idea of how you can change the look of your vehicle just by adding a wrap to it. Now this wrap here is gonna last at least 5 to 6 years before he wants to take it off. But until then, that blue is gonna remain, and they can always go back to their original color. On the top side, the customer requested to keep the RHO and the blue outline, and that's what we did. Be unique. That's what they wanted to do. And that's what we do right here at New Touch Auto. We change the look of your vehicle to make it look better than it already does. Now we're gonna get this vehicle outside, let y'all see some before and afters. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right now and you won't miss any of our videos. Catch y'all on the next one.